Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Trini-style crab and callaloo. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh dasheen bush leaves, 6 to 8 ounces of okra, and 2 pounds of blue crabs. Also, have ready 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk, 2 pimento peppers, and a small bunch of fresh herbs. Ensure your crabs are meticulously cleaned and seasoned with a good green seasoning blend. Now, let's prepare the callaloo base. First, wash and finely chop your 1 pound of dasheen bush leaves and 6 ounces of okra. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 chopped onion until fragrant. Then, add the chopped greens, 1 13.5-ounce can of coconut milk, and 1 cup of water. Let this simmer gently for about 20 minutes, ensuring the leaves become very tender. Next, it's time to introduce the star of our dish, the crab. Carefully add your 2 pounds of seasoned crab pieces directly into the simmering callaloo mixture. Make sure the crab is fully submerged so it can absorb all those wonderful flavors. Continue to cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the crab shells turn a vibrant orange and the meat is opaque. This ensures the crab is perfectly cooked and tender. For the final touch, we'll achieve that signature callaloo texture. Using a traditional swizzle stick or an immersion blender, gently blend the callaloo until it's thick and creamy, but still has some body. Be careful not to overblend it into a thin puree. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve your delicious Trini-style crab and callaloo hot, perhaps with some steamed rice, boiled dumplings, or warm roti. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.